What's good, y'all, man? We're back here with another video, and today I actually have a cool video for you. We are going to be throwing on a whole bunch of new mods onto the M2, and I'm very excited to show you guys. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead, hop into the video, show you guys everything that's been done to the car, which currently right now is just the spoiler and the lip that I'm about to show you. And then me and my boy Ant are going to be lowering it later on. I'm just waiting for him to pull up right now. So yeah, let me go show you the two, go show you the lip, and I'll show you the spoiler. Real quick though, I'd just like to say thank you guys so much for all the recent support. For all the people that come through and watch my videos and like my videos, the whole whopping like 5 of you that like my videos, I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. And yeah, it doesn't go unnoticed. So yeah, if you guys could just continue to hit the like button and keep referring people to me and like get them to hit the sub button, and yeah, just put me on to all your peoples, man. I'm gonna turn on these lights real quick. Okay, and as you can see, I have this front lip on. It's kind of giving me problems. It's literally just the cheapest black lip that I could find online. Nothing crazy, I'm not gonna lie, because the roads in New Jersey are terrible, and I don't want to spend like $400+ on a lip just for that shit to break, bro. I'm not gonna lie. So I went with the cheapest option, literally spent like $100 on this thing. Coming around to the back, I did end up paint matching the top of the spoiler and leaving carbon on the bottom side. I'm gonna turn my flashlight on real quick. So as you guys can see, it's beautifully paint matched. Like, look at that. That shit looks insane. And then the back is obviously carbon fiber. Looks so good. I couldn't be happier with this car. And yeah, now I'm just waiting for Anthony to pull up. And once he pulls up, we're gonna put the lowering springs on the car, which I will show you guys in a little while. And yeah, I'm just ready to hop into this thing. So without further ado, I will catch back up with y'all when Anthony gets here. And I just pulled up in the Jeep SRT, and now we are taking the wheels off and getting started on putting the springs on the car. I'll go show you guys what the springs look like next to the old springs in a second. But yeah, man, I'll show you guys what this shit looks like over here. It's jacked up. The damn caliper all dirty and shit. Shit nasty, bro. Crazy. Doing some real goddamn work to the damn bees of today. The wheel and shit, that shit crazy. That shit didn't get too macked last night from the dirt and everything, bro.
Yeah, I was gonna say that shit not even dirty.
I might clean. I should low key clean the barrels, bro.
Yeah, bro, the backside of that shit.
Yeah. Bro is inside of the whip right now. And now he's starting to undo the strut so we can pop that bitch down. And then pop the old spring off and put the new spring on. Straight light work.
Can't forget that Visa,
Easily, bro. Easily. What is it?
The fucking level adjuster, level sensor thing for
Where?
the lights. These are all loose.
These are tools that we gotta use. This is weird. What's this bit called?
This is a pass-through socket,
Okay.
and then this is an offset wrench, deep offset, 10
Okay.
millimeter, and an 18 millimeter 12 point.
It just makes it so you can do both.
Yeah,
like,
so you can
turn it both
counter hold
ways.
it.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Because there's a bolt around the outside, and it has a stud in the middle, but the stud has a bolt head on it. So
Oh,
you have
okay.
to hold the stud in the center or it'll spin.
We're crazy, bro. The more you fucking learn, bro. You learn something new every day.
And the end links are the same way, where you can't see it, but it has the same thing. In the center, it has a stud and it spins, and it has a bolt around the outside, and you got to hold the middle.
Oh, okay.
So you usually use a wrench for those.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's pretty cool.
I don't know what size of it is.
And it's just needs to be undone as tight as it was from the factory now, too. Like you were just saying, pretty much.
And like I said, I brought the torque wrench and everything, so.
Shit got like 400 horsepower. Oh yeah, you can see it. Alright, so he went ahead and dropped this motherfucker down, pulled the old spring off. This is the comparison of the new one to the old one. As you can see, you can off-road on this one, you can on this. And then there's the old bump stock. It didn't come with new ones because you don't need them on a brand new car. So, and then, yeah, we're just gonna throw that bitch on the strut and then put it back up and reverse the process, pretty much. So, all right, we popped it back in. He's screwing it back up into place, bruh. And then we big chilling. Springs looking good, they match the car. I'm ready to see what all these things gonna look like, bro. But little process, but my boy Ant making that shit happen, bro. Straight up, oh god. Got that shit on there now. That shit is way bumped out. I gotta show from the side. Once it goes back down, it's gonna be even better.
You want to get a video of that shit going down?
Yeah.
Hope that bitch might go down fast. Oh yeah.
Ugh.
Oh yeah.
Ugh.
And then, and that big gonna get low.
Bro, and that shit's gonna get lower because the other side too, I bet.
Oh yeah.
Bro, that shit is sitting nice, bro. Oh my days.
Oh yeah.
Bro, yeah, it just
tough,
stayed
bro.
down there when you did that too.
Bro, and then what?
What the fuck? Bro, oh my god.
Oh yeah, dude. Like a big ass difference. Bro.
My god, bro. And that's even, this side's even lower now too. Because of just that side.
And that spring's old, so it's settled. You know what I mean?
Damn, bro. Getting started on this side over here right now, buddy. And then we're gonna pop this shit down, pop out that spring, put the new spring on, and we're just gonna call it a day there. Jesus, I'm just kidding. We gotta do the back. But nah, that shit looks like fucking atrocious. The damn rear of the damn car needs to be done, buddy. Hey, that back left is slammed right now because all the weight's on that side. Got this side on now. We're gonna slide that bitch back up into place, bro. You need the jack? Yeah. Bit there. I got there, buddy. Bencho's giving him a damn issue up there. But you got it. All right. Got the wheel back on. We just have to tie in the motherfucker. Oh my days, that thing fucking drops to the fucking ground. Are you mad? We're about to start the back. The front is finished. That shit's fucking slammed. And right now it's even more slammed because we put the back up in the air, buddy. But shit, brother. This fucking car is gonna look good at the end of the day. Just finished this side. It looks lifted. Jesus.
The wide body, bro.
So we had to Aunt actually had to undo this exhaust hanger and that exhaust hanger. And they did it on the other side too. And then we're gonna put the jack under here, prop it underneath the strut, drop that shit down. The spring will be able to pop out. We can put the new spring on, put it all back up. And then all the parts back here are labeled M4, bro. Crazy. I pretty much got an M4 for cheaper, bro. Crazy. Imagine.
Nah, that's actually crazy though.
All right, here's the difference. We got a few more threads that are just more compressed in. You pop the bottom one down, or the back one down. Now we're just gonna be able to load it back in, put everything back. Except this long ass bolt, bro. This shit was actually a piece of shit. This is how that shit
normally is, where they don't put threads all the way.
Yeah.
On that shit, the threads go all the fucking way.
We literally had to thread every 1 million threads on this thing. And then we just gotta make sure they just go in the right way again. That's it. And we are straight vibing in this bit. All right, we got 3 springs on. We just finished the back left, or technically the back right, but look at that. We don't got that much room, bro. We low now. Stop playing, bro. Oh my days, mate. Ant is the GOAT, bro. If you guys need any mechanic work, hit my mans up, bro. I'll get you right for the right price. No cap. Oh, bull. That front is sitting crazy. That back, holy fuck, bud. Down in the comments, leave me some suggestions on what I should do for intakes and engine cover and all that stuff for the engine bay. Still trying to figure out what I want to do, but I don't know. After this, I'm real deal. I'm done touching this car for a while, bro. I just want to enjoy it. I wanted to enjoy it with the way I wanted it to look, bro. That front's gonna settle out nicely right now, bro. Holy shit. That thing sits so low when it's on the jack. You want to undo it so you don't end up breaking that shit?
Yep.
Or the wire, any of that, bro.
Give yourself room in the first place. I like to unplug this shit just so you're not letting shit hang and get ripped.
That shit off to the side.
It just has a little clip in the bottom right here. You just press it inwards against the connector. It's really easy.
Straight vibes. And then you just get to drill in away at the fucking 10-foot long bolt and the other bolt.
Easy. Make sure you get a jack under there first so it doesn't come flying down on you.
Yeah, make sure you guys got the jacks on deck, man. You might need 5 of them.
Yep.
Might just need fucking 10 of them. Oh yeah. So not only the valve controller, but make sure you guys take off the
level sensor. It's on the driver's side, front and back, but the passenger side doesn't have it.
Yeah, so it's only on the one side.
Just loosen
And
that
again,
bolt
it's just
and
you're taking it off so you don't end up breaking it.
that's all it is. And then make sure when you go put everything together, you put it back, or the car won't know where to put the headlights. Ow.
No, that's insane.
Did you see my thumb get destroyed?
Yeah, I saw that. That was terrible.
That was a nice marking. Because when the jack comes up, it doesn't just lift straight up. It pulls back. If you know what I mean.
All right, we got the last one on. As you guys can see, the Evolve springs are officially on the car, bud. Now we're gonna put the wheel back on, the spacer, the wheel. The spacer's already on there. Then we're gonna put the wheel on, the lug nuts, and then we're gonna go take this thing for a final. We're gonna rip this thing around, go get some food. We are finito. Bro, look at this wood chip.
A few minutes later.
Ant is leaving in the big old Tonka. I'm leaving in this motherfucker. I'm gonna show you guys the cars real quick while my car starts. Stop playing. That shit sound nasty. Stop playing. Cars look tough, but we're leaving. Car's lowered now. I know you guys peep. I'm gonna stop somewhere on the way home, but yeah. Just wanted to show you guys Ant's car, bro. I don't know if you guys seen this, but the SRT different, man. It's on JLT Performance. Bro, that shit sounds good. That shit is hard, bro. All right, I'm gonna go stop somewhere real quick with some good lighting. Show you guys the fitment and everything because we just finished it all up. Finally, I just gotta find some good lighting. And yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all in a minute. All right, you guys, we finally lowered the car, and bro, it looks so fucking amazing, bro. It's sitting so low. I couldn't be more blessed. Look how low that thing is sitting, bro. It looks so good. Luckily, with these Evolve springs, there's no rubbing. The fucking fitment is beautiful. Other than that, it looks really good. The lip looks really good on the car. Yeah, man, look at this fucking car. So excited to continue to show you guys this car. I did do this lip. I got off Alibaba. I'm not gonna cap to you. It was only 25 bucks. And then on the back over here, from R44 Performance, my old carbon fiber spoiler, except it's carbon on the bottom and I paint matched it on top a few days ago. So that shit's pretty tough. It's half carbon, half black. So looks really good. Put spacers on the car too. So now they are sitting nice and flush with the car, buddy. I'm really excited, really happy. Couldn't be more blessed. Shout out to Anthony, bro. Without him, this wasn't gonna get done today. And it wasn't probably gonna get done for like a month because I don't have the bread to go bring it to a shop. So with my boy Ant, he was able to get that shit done for me the way that I was able to get it done, and I was able to help him and learn it and everything. So I'm very thankful for him and very appreciative to him about these springs, because without him it wasn't gonna get done. Also, I want to say I hope you guys have been enjoying the content. It's only gonna get better now that the car is like really done. Now I can focus on just the content. So y'all get ready. I'm gonna get used to the car. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna start sliding in parking lots and shit and just having a good time. Not anything like crazy. Don't expect me to be a delinquent, but I'm gonna just have a good time with the car, man. So yeah, I'm about to go home and maybe I'll get a poll for you guys, but I think I'm gonna just chill, cruise home. So I think I'm gonna just call it there. I have a bunch of shit to edit for you guys. Yeah, man, I gotta get to work. And of course, I wanna give thanks to God, because without the man G.O.D., none of this would be possible, man. G.O.D. is the one that makes everything possible in life for us. Gotta give thanks to him. This person's about to mac me, bro. Like, suck a cock, bro. But nah, man, we just gotta give all thanks to G.O.D. He's the one that gets us right at the end of every day, bro. So